seen the Tata Tea ads over the last few years, and they've been extremely effective in terms of, maybe they don't bring about a change, etc., but they do make a point, a pertinent point, a relevant point, and most of the time a point which is current and in the minds of everyone, whether you're young, whether you're middle-aged, whether you're old, but thoughts that cross your mind, whether the last one was about voting and leadership. And so I like those ads. Very few people would remember. I remember the first ad that I did in Mumbai actually, when I became an actor, was for Tata Tea, which Mr. Prahlad Kakkar had directed. So I have a long old association with Tata Tea. And when Balki, who's directed the ad, and Mr. Ravi Chandran, the cinematographer, they called me and they said, the idea is to talk about what is very relevant today, about women's rights and the equality of women and all the processes and thoughts that have been going into, all the incidents that have happened in the last few months and how we are reacting to it. शुरुआत वहीं से होती है, सोच से ही होती है. आई थिंक एन आइडिया इज बिगर देन एनीथिंग एल्स इन द वर्ल्ड. हमारी जो आई थिंक जो चेंजेस या बदलाव या जो भी ऐसी बात हुई है दुनिया में, देश में, छोटे प्रांत में, कहीं पर भी, आई थिंक वो सोच से ही शुरू होती है. अगर हम कोई भी ग्रेट रेवोल्यूशन की बात सोचें, किसी चीज़ में भी, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग इन अ ह्यूज वे, तो वो बात अगर हम ढूंढने जाएं तो कहीं ना कहीं किसी कस्बे, किसी कोने में, कहीं पर किसी की सोच थी, जिससे द जर्म always starts with the idea, and that's what this is, a germ, the germ of the idea. That's how it starts, and then it gets into a movement or gets into a change, whether it's in the technological field, whether it is in personal life, whether it is in films, whether it's in media. एक सोच से शुरुआत ज़रूर होती है. Mostly जिन लोगों के साथ मैं काम करता हूँ, मैं उनकी बहुत इज़्ज़त करता हूँ, वो भी मेरे कहने की बहुत इज़्ज़त करते हैं. I truly believe that women are the backbone, at least in my field of work, and I'm inspired by all of them, younger than me and a little less younger than me also, all of them. I'm extremely inspired by them, and अगर आप कभी भी उनसे मिलें, all the heroines that I worked from, Anushka is the last, is the newest lot, I assume, and Madhuri and Sridevi actually, to have started, Hemaji, because she directed me also. But if you ask them all, this is the one thing they will tell you, that yes, we are very clear that Shah Rukh has always maintained that this film and the work, whether it's directorial, whether it's Farah Khan as a writer, director, or Saroj Khan as a choreographer, or Vaibhavi, all of them. There's so many of them in the department now. Abhi hamari film jo edit ki hai, Namrata ne ki hai. There's so many of them. So all of them have really inspired me. Every time I see an actress work, and I don't even call them actress actually, I call them actors. I think it's, I've never called them, बोलने के लिए ऐसा बोलता हूँ, but I call them actors. I think every time I work with each of my co-actor, I have been extremely inspired by some aspect or the other. Yeah, I would not make any centric film just for the reason of making it. But 100% I will make films which I feel are filmic, which are watchable by a lot of people. And if there happens to be a subject, I can say this, that I will never make a demarcation and say, "Arey, ye women centric hai, to hum produce nahi karenge." If it's a story that should be told, whether it's a woman's story, whether it's a man's story, whether it's a child's story, whether it's a story about an ensemble cast, I would 100% produce it. I now refrain from talking about my personal life. So I would not be able to tell you, but it's been a great life. I've been married for 21 years. I have beautiful children, and like any normal family, she keeps it all together. So it's absolutely wonderful. बट उससे ज़्यादा मैं कहता हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा कभी कभी लगता है, मैं अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में ज़्यादा बात करता हूँ तो फिर उसके बारे में ज़्यादा मरोड़ तरोड़ के लोग बात करते हैं, तो दुख होता है मुझको, क्योंकि वो मेरी फैमिली है, वो मेरे अपने हैं. So I don't like to comment too much on that. I'd be very proud if my daughter's an actress. I'd be very proud for every aspect, whether it's a song, whether it's a dance, whether it's the cover shoots of fashion magazines, whether it's the interviews, whether it's whatever, even some of the gossip that you guys would write. I'd be very proud of every aspect of what my daughter does. Inshallah, if she becomes an actress, and I hope she becomes an actress. Yeah. I would. The more the merrier. People who would like to direct me, I would love to. उसने मुझे बोला है, हमारी बहुत conversation हुई है इस बारे में, and उसने मुझे फिल्म भी बताई है जिसमें मुझे वो direct करना चाहता है. Yeah, we've had a big discussion with John, and very sweetly he said, कि मैं जब director बनूंगा, so I would like to direct a film with you. And he's told me also the film that he wants to make. It's all in his head, and he's very clear about it. So it'd be really wonderful. I think he's a fantastic person, and I've gotten to know him lately while we were trying to get him to do Happy New Year. And if he has a good film and a good script, and if I can fit into it, why not?